Today I'm going to tell you how to reduce chili in dal. If you have prepared dal without adding tomatoes, then for 1 liter of dal prepared, we can add juice of half a lemon, or add half teaspoon of amchur powder, or 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar. Ensure that you add only one of these. You can add a small piece of jaggery, mix it well and cook it on slow fire for a few minutes. In case you have prepared a dal using tomatoes, for 1 liter of dal prepared in this way, take a kadai, keep it on the gas stove. Now add little 2 or 3 teaspoons of oil, add 100 grams of chopped onion, add little salt and fry well. And now add the 100 grams of chopped tomatoes also, fry it well together. Now add other masalas except chili. When this gets nicely cooked, add the originally prepared dal to this. Now cook it on slow fire. I have one more bonus tip. If you feel you will need little more extra dal while preparing it, then for 1 liter of dal, you can cook 100 grams of the same variety of dal along with 1 tomato. Cook it nicely and then put it in a mixer jar after cooling. Now whip it and make it into a thin liquid. Now add the originally prepared dal to this newly prepared dal in a mixer jar. Now keep it on slow fire, cook it and then taste it along with other masalas except the chili.